It's a beautiful day today, and I'm here in the driveway in front of this motorcycle here, my 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tall, and this is YouTube channel Traveling Tall. The channel is about test rides, tutorials, product reviews, installations, and traveling. I'm getting this Road Glide ready for a cross-country road trip. There's a few things that I'm going to be putting on it. I just got it about 30 days ago, and there's already a few things done to it. In today's video, we're going to be adding something that's needed for the front end. On this bike here, you have the headlight and you have the turn signals right here. But I'd like to add a little bit more light to the front end. It's all about being seen. When you're in traffic, you want people to know that you're there. And when you're turning, you want people to know which direction you intend to go. Today's video, we're going to be adding the Custom Dynamics LED windshield trim for Harley-Davidson Road Glides. Right there. Right here. So it ought to be a really simple installation. We're going to have to take off this windshield here, and then we're going to take off this top piece of this fairing, and then we're going to put these on. If the wires are like I remember, they should be at the very top, so it should be a really easy install. So I'm going to try to make this video a step-by-step install, so if you have a Road Glide and you wish to put some of these on yours from Custom Dynamics, then follow this video. All right, so let's get to it.
Traveling Tall is brought to you by Custom Dynamics, Zippers Performance, Khrome Works, Red Line Oil, Volunteer Audio, and Let's Roll.
We about to ride, you about to ride.
It's that time of year again. Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. We are ready. And I can't wait to have you guys down to Knoxville, Tennessee. We are going to ride. We are going to ride. The host hotel will be the Hilton Garden Inn in Knoxville, Tennessee, 6200 Paper Mill Drive. Click the link below in the description to get a discounted rate. The banquet is on Saturday night, and tickets will be on sale to the banquet. Of course, we're going to have t-shirts provided and a giveaway for those who attend the banquet. We only have 130 tickets that we can sell. Last year, they sold out quickly. This year, I'm expecting it to do the same. I'll be giving you some more details on the ride that'll be coming up, so you make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to be notified so you can receive up-to-the-minute information about the rides that we're going to be riding at Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. Guys, I hope to see you there. Don't forget, mark your calendar for June 9th, 10th, and 11th for Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. Last year we had a blast. This year's going to be even better. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
Okay, so first things first, we're going to have to take these 4 screws out to get this Clockworks windshield off of the bike. Four screws, really simple. To get these off, get these out. Leave that one in, so I'll take that one out last. Let's go over here and get this off. Now you can see I need to put a hand on it now and loosen this up here. Now that just slides off just like that. Set this over here. Now I'm hoping I did this right. When I had it off the last time, that these turn signal connectors are going to be at the top. Let's pop this off. And yes, they are. Yes, they are. Let's put this right here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here, you have the turn signals, right and left turn signal right here. And I'm just going to unplug these because I know that I will be plugging in the new windshield trim lights. So go ahead and get that unplugged, and we'll get the package opened up. Let me show you what's in it. Here's the package again, LED windshield trim. Now while I'm opening it, the great thing about these, they will be white when the bike is running, but when you turn on the turn signal, they'll change to amber. So that's gonna look good. And of course, with the Custom Dynamic products, it's easy, simple, plug and play, and you get a lifetime LED warranty. One thing I can say about Custom Dynamics, their customer service is absolutely second to none. Wiring harness is here because you're going to have to wire off of the turn signals is going down already, and then you have the the windshield trim right in here. So let's get this out. Let's get the wiring harness connected. All right, so we have it unplugged. We have our wire adapter here. We're going to take this and plug it in. And now we're going to take the short side of it and plug it in to where we just unplugged it from. Because this is going to run down to the turn signals. And this is going to go to the windshield trim. Do the same thing on the other side here. All right, so take the short pigtail, plug that in, leave that one for the windshield trim. Now we have all of that in there. Okay, so now that we have that connected, what we're going to do now, you look at the back of this, and there's an R right there for right, and this is the right side of the motorcycle. You're looking at it on camera, so it seems backwards to you. And we're going to plug these in right here. And we're going to leave it, we're going to route it out this little bitty gap right here. Just let that hang for a second. We're going to do the same on the other side. Plug it in. And if that one said R on the back, this one says L on the back. And have the wire right here at this little gap. We're going to leave it hanging just like that, then get our top piece. So now we got the vent. The vent goes under like this. There we go. So now we're going to put the windshield on now that we got this on. Windshield going back on. Just going to do this, put one in to hold it into place, and then I'm going to put this light on. You have some more hardware that came with it. Now with this being on here, there's more, you have to have some longer screws. So we're going to put this on, and then we're going to, I'll show you what it looks like. Now what you want to do, you want to take the first, you want to get a screw, get the larger washer, the larger metal washer, put it on. The smaller metal washer, put that on. And then finally the rubber washer and put that on. Should look like this. Like that. You can see that. Large metal, small metal, and rubber one. And put it through your windshield trim light. And tighten it down. Now don't tighten it too much. Leave it a little loose for the first little bit. And that does take an Allen wrench. It's not a regular screwdriver. We're going to hand tighten it down right here. Let's go ahead and get this one in the same way. Let's get my Allens to tighten this up. Now you don't want to over tighten it because you don't want to crack the paint. And the fit and finish of it's really nice. So you just want to make sure that you get it snug, but do not over tighten it. All right, so that's what it looks like on this side. Let's get the other side done. Now that I have this holding, I can take this one out right here. I just had it holding it in place. All right, so let's put the last one in here. Man, this is looking good. This is gonna look so good. When you're out riding, guys, it's good to be lit up, I'm telling you. Get this bike lit up in the front where people are noticing you. But that's what I like about Custom Dynamics. With it being on the bike, it's not that noticeable just sitting here with the lights off. But when I turn it on, it's really gonna grab your attention. All right, that feels pretty snug to me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, that looks good. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, so that's it. We got to put on the motorcycle. I'm not just gonna sit here and show you this in the driveway. Let's go somewhere where you can see it. It's finished, got everything done. Got the windshield trim on from Custom Dynamics. I think it looks fantastic with the running lights, the way they're white like this. So everything matches though. You have the white lights right here, the white turn signal lights, and of course this really bright Custom Dynamics headlight. So guys, the whole front end is Custom Dynamics. Every light on this motorcycle is Custom Dynamics, but I love the way this looks. But it's not just about looks, it's for a reason. Anything that gets more attention to make you more aware to drivers that may be distracted. And let me show you another turn signal. Check this out. But this is a special turn signal. It doesn't just flash, it's sequential. So you notice this turn signal turns to amber from white, and this turns to amber from white as well. And it looks good. Custom Dynamics plug and play. The whole thing probably took about 15 minutes to do it if you follow the instructions. Real simple. You only have these 4 screws to take off and replace them with the new ones that they give you. I like the way it looks on, but it's important for me for them to just fade away in the background. Nice, clean, sleek lines. And that's what I like about Custom Dynamics. They make their turn signals that flow with the bike. You don't need anything that's just breaking up the look of the bike. Custom Dynamics, they do things to enhance the motorcycle without being overpowering. Make sure you check out customdynamics.com to get some for yourself, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I have some more videos coming your way. Travel videos coming your way soon with the new Road Glide. All right guys, like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.